issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Loudoun County, northeastern Meigs County, northeastern McNew County, northwestern Monroe County, southeastern Roane County, until Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were along the line extending from near Houston to near Fairview to 11 miles east of Spring City, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sweetwater, Loudoun, Madisonville, Napa, Philadelphia, Paint Rock, Tellico Village, Murray Store, and 10 Mile. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 55 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio Station